Updating your email address on Amazon is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Amazon website and log into your account using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, hover over the account and list menu in the upper right corner. Click on your account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Login and Security. In the Your Account section, find and click on Login and Security. This will take you to a page where you can manage your account details. Step 4. Edit your email address. Locate the email section and click on the Edit button next to it. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, click the Continue button. You may need to verify your new email address by following the instructions sent to it. Once you've completed these steps, your email address will be updated successfully. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages from Amazon.